To get started printing with your Mantis 3D printer, you're going to want to connect to it. So you're going to go to the Wi-Fi icon on whatever device you're using. Find the name of your Mantis 3D printer. It is listed on the back of your printer on the label. And then also type in the password. Again, that's on the label in the back. Once you've connected to your Mantis, you're going to open your browser, open a new tab, and type in that IP address 192.168.4.1, and you're going to land on the interface. We recommend starting your first print by printing out the demo file. That's the Mantis toothpaste tube squeezer. So click here to select demo file. That's going to automatically upload that file to your printer. You'll see that listed on this top rectangle, that green rectangle. Click on print and you'll get that warning, the reminder to make sure that your bed is cleaned off and that your magnetic build plate is attached. So once you've confirmed that, you're going to click print. And then from that point on, the Mantis takes over. It will upload that file and then start to begin to warm up your printer. It's going to go through that 9-point check, and in a few minutes after that, it will begin to print your Mantis toothpaste tube squeezer. And from that point on, you're all set.